Welcome again to another episode of Learning Kalenjin with Gideon Kirui. Today we are going to learn about animals. That is the Kalenjin name and the equivalent in English. The first animal we're going to learn is Suyot. Suyot is wild dog. The second one is Kipsirichet. Kipsirichet is buffalo.
Rhino.
The third one is Tauret, Wadok. The fourth one is Mbilisiet, that is skunk. The fifth is Tombisiet, camel. The sixth is Tingonget, that is crocodile. The seventh is Magaita. Magaita, that is hippopotamus. The seventh is Nyumbut. Nyumbut, that is horse. The ninth is Boinet. Boinet, that is gazelle. The 10th is Soet, that is a buffalo. Thank you for learning Kalenjin with Gideon Kirui. Make sure you share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.